Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn mechanical engineering, easy method. Begin by mastering core mechanics and math, then practice with small projects and consistent schedules to reinforce theory. Find resources that match your learning style, like videos, textbooks, and labs. Set clear weekly goals and track progress to avoid overwhelm. Join a community for feedback and collaboration, and iterate on projects to deepen understanding, and build use a study system that balances concept learning and applied practice, and keep it simple and sustainable. Schedule focused blocks for theory, hands-on work, and review, and stick to them with gentle consistency. Actively solve problems, build prototypes, and teach ideas to others to strengthen understanding. Track your progress with measurable milestones, and adjust your plan when something feels stale to maintain momentum and steady improvement over time. Pick approachable tools and projects that match your skill level and grow gradually as confidence increases. Begin with simple mechanisms like levers, linkages, and gearbox mockups to learn fundamentals and measurement skills. Record designs, test results, and iterations so you can review what worked and why. Share your progress with peers or mentors to get feedback, and prioritize learning from mistakes as much as celebrating finished builds and improved technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.